If you've been searching for real ways to make money online, I'm about to share 5 proven ways that people are making money right now. The first one is the one that's actually working for me and my coach. She's having 40K months with this.
Hey, I'm Ashley. My husband's a disabled vet, and a few years ago we sold everything to travel full time with our dogs. We loved that life until the money ran out. Now we're building digital income so we can do it again with more freedom, purpose, and zero regrets. And we're showing others how to do it too.
And I'm sharing the different ways I've seen people succeed online, including the one that's changing everything for me right now. I haven't personally done all of these, but I've seen people get amazing results with them. And I want you to know all of your options. The first one is my favorite because it's the one that I'm using myself, and it's already making a big difference. Let's start with the one that's working for me. Legacy Builders. Legacy Builders is a digital marketing program that gives you a fully set up website, automated emails from day one. You don't have to figure out any tech. You don't have to build a site from scratch or wonder what to post. Everything is done for you. You need to follow the step-by-step process to be able to sell high profit digital products. Here's one of the biggest advantages. You keep 100% of the profit from every sale. And the top selling product in our community is $900. That means that one sale could cover a big chunk of bills or fund a whole week of travel on the road. Compare that to affiliate marketing, where you only make a percentage. This is full profit directly to you. Before this, I had tried MLMs, going back to school, bookkeeping. I spent years feeling like I was starting over with no real plan. With Legacy, I had a working business in my hands on day one and a community to guide me. Then there's Wendy, my coach. She's 56. She's a grandma. She lives in Canada, and she is having 40K and more months with this program. She's selling legacy builders like me, and she's growing her YouTube channel. She is the one teaching me how to do YouTube and how to grow my digital income with it. Seeing her results and learning directly from her helps me see that if she can do it, so can I. Why this matters for us. For my husband and me, this means building something that can actually pay the bills and give us the freedom to travel again without worrying about running out of money like we did before. You can even learn YouTube from Wendy like I am. I will link her YouTube training and my Legacy Builders link in the description so that you can check them out for yourself. Method 2 is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular ways that people are making money online right now. You promote someone else's product, someone buys through your unique link, and you earn a commission. No inventory, no shipping, no customer service. I know people who have replaced full-time incomes with this, all by sharing products they already use and love. It could be anything: a favorite kitchen gadget, a course that changed their business, or a piece of software that they can't live without. Commissions vary, but digital products usually pay the highest, often 30 to 50% of the sale. That means a $200 course could give you $100 just from one purchase. But compared to legacy builders, where you keep 100% of the profit, affiliate marketing requires more volume to hit the same sales goal. Why this matters for us: if we wanted to, we could promote products that fit the RV and travel lifestyle, gear that we actually use on the road, things that make life easier in small spaces, or things that help other travelers work from anywhere. It's flexible, it's portable, and that is exactly what we need. If you're considering affiliate marketing, focus on trust. Share why the product matters, who it's for, and even who it's not for. That honesty makes people more likely to buy from you. Quick question: which of these ways do you think would fit your life best? Drop the answer in the comments because some of your ideas might inspire somebody else. Method 3, TikTok Shop. TikTok Shop is still wide open for opportunity. You can sell your own products or promote other sellers' products for a commission. What makes this powerful is TikTok's algorithm. It can push your videos to thousands of people, even if you have a small following. I've seen people with accounts that have just a few hundred followers that get tens of thousands of views on one single video. The videos that do the best are short and grab attention within the first 3 seconds. Think hands only product demos, quick transformations, or 3 reasons why I love this. Compared to affiliate marketing, TikTok Shop has the advantage of built in exposure. Your products are integrated into the app where millions of people are already shopping. Why this matters for us, when we're full time travelers, we could create quick clips from wherever we are, maybe showing off our travel gear, unique finds from the road, or products that make RV life smoother. The videos do the selling. We're not tied to the 9 to 5 schedule. If you want to start, go to TikTok Shop, filter for best sellers. Then look for products with a wow factor. And remember, you're promoting someone else's product. You never touch the inventory. The seller ships it and you get paid. Method 4, this one sounds the most fun to me. If you're creative or if you just have a funny idea, print on demand is a great way to turn it into income. If you design something once, upload it to a site like Printful or Redbubble, they print it and ship it for you. Think t-shirts with niche quotes, mugs with funny sayings, or tote bags with stylish designs. I've seen sellers make thousands a month with just a handful of designs targeting a specific audience. But if you like things made by hand, Etsy is still one of the top marketplaces for unique crafts. Personalized jewelry, wedding decor, handmade goods. People shop there looking for something special. Compared to TikTok Shop, print on demand is less about trending products and more about creating designs that last. Evergreen items that can sell for years. Why this matters for us, I could totally see us creating RV themed designs and funny travel mugs or wall art of photos from our travels, all while letting the print on demand company handle all of the printing and shipping so that we don't have to carry inventory in our RV. Quick tip on Etsy, photos sell. Use natural light, simple backgrounds, and show the items in use so that buyers can picture it in their lives. Method 5, online services are freelancing. If you have a skill or you can learn one quickly, freelancing can bring money fast. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork connect you with clients who need help with things like social media management, video editing, writing, graphic design. I know someone who started designing Pinterest pins for $5 each. 3 months later, she was charging $50 per pin and was booked weeks in advance. Compared to selling products, freelancing gives you instant cash flow once you land a client, but your time is directly tied to your income. It's not as passive as the other methods that we've talked about. Freelancing could be a great fit during travel days where we've parked somewhere with good Wi Fi. We could take on short projects, deliver them remotely, and then still have time to explore without being tied to one location. Even if you're brand new, you can stand out by positioning yourself as a solution. Instead of saying, I write blog posts, say, I help small businesses attract more customers with engaging articles. That makes people see your value right away. There you have it. 5 real ways that people are making money online, starting with the one that's working for me, legacy builders. If you want to learn YouTube from Wendy like I am, check the link in the description. And if you want to see exactly how Legacy Builders works, the link is there too. And here is what you should do next. Watch my next video, 5 things to avoid while making money online. Because even if you pick the best method for you, making the wrong moves can slow you down or stop you completely. In that video, I'll share the exact mistakes I've made and how to skip them so that you can save months of frustration. Subscribe if you want the real life ups and downs of rebuilding our freedom and getting back to life on the road, because I'm sharing it all here.